In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 10 ways to survive during an earthquake. Earthquakes can happen at any time, and it's important to be prepared and know what to do in case of an emergency. Number 1. Drop, cover, and hold on. When an earthquake strikes, the first thing you should do is drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy desk or table, and hold on until the shaking stops. During an earthquake, items such as books, pictures, and other objects may fall from shelves and walls. Dropping, covering, and holding on provides protection from these falling objects, which can cause serious injury. Number 2. Identify safe spaces. Before an earthquake, it's important to identify safe spaces to hide. These areas are known as the triangle of life. This can include sturdy doorways, load-bearing walls, or reinforced areas. Number 3. Practice evacuation drills. Make sure you have a plan in place for evacuating your home or workplace in case of an earthquake. Practice evacuation drills with your family or colleagues to ensure that everyone knows what to do. Sound the alarm or announce the evacuation order. This can be done by using a whistle, bullhorn, or other audible device. Number 4. Prepare an emergency kit. Keep an emergency kit on hand that includes food, water, first aid supplies, and other essentials that can help you survive in case of an earthquake. Number 5. Secure furniture and fixtures. Make sure that heavy furniture, appliances, and fixtures are securely fastened to walls or floors. This can help prevent injuries and damage in case of an earthquake. Number 6. Stay away from windows. During an earthquake, stay away from windows, glass doors, and other areas where you could be injured by shattered glass. Windows can shatter and break, sending shards of glass flying and potentially causing serious injury. Number 7. Stay calm and avoid panic. Earthquakes can be frightening and disorienting, but it is important to try to stay calm and think clearly in order to protect yourself and those around you. Number 8. Check for gas leaks. Earthquakes can damage gas lines and cause leaks, which can lead to fires and explosions. If you smell gas or suspect a gas leak, do not turn on or off any electrical switches or appliances, and do not use any open flames or cigarettes. Evacuate the building immediately and call the gas company or emergency services from a safe location. Number 9. Be prepared for aftershocks. Earthquakes can be followed by aftershocks, which can be just as dangerous as the initial quake. Be prepared to take cover and follow the same safety protocols as you would during the earthquake. Number 10. Stay informed. Finally, stay informed about earthquake warnings and other emergency alerts in your area. Follow news updates and pay attention to emergency broadcasts. So there you have it, the top 10 ways to survive during an earthquake. Remember, being prepared and knowing what to do can help keep you and your loved ones safe in case of an emergency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on emergency preparedness.